This video covers what off-network provided service is. First, to help ensure you are ordering the correct service from Lumen, we will help determine whether your business is on-network or off-network. On-network, also known as on-net, is supplied entirely by Lumen. On-net customers are located in buildings that have a direct fiber connection to the Lumen network. Off-network, also known as off-net, is supplied by a third-party network provider who partners with Lumen. Off-net customers are typically located some distance from our core network. Lumen leverages these off-net or third-party network providers to extend the reach of the Lumen network. If your service has a portion of the solution that is off of our network, Lumen will engage the third-party network provider in the upfront design stage of the order. The third-party network provider will verify the needed network capacity. If needed, the local customer contact will then partner with Lumen, and, if applicable, the third-party network provider to grant access and walk them through the building during a site survey. Keep in mind, if your order requires work at more than one location, you will need an on-site local customer contact at each one. It is very important that a local customer contact is on-site and available at each specific location to provide Lumen and other vendors building access to complete installation work and any necessary site surveys. If a local customer contact is not available, it can complicate the delivery process. If you need assistance locating your access points, a property manager or building maintenance can help. Then, an engineer will conduct an inspection to identify any dependencies and create a plan. Based on their findings, they will inform you of any additional work that may be needed. You will need to ensure that all your location's requirements are completed in a timely fashion. If changes to the order are required at a later time, they can complicate the delivery process, causing delays and leading to additional costs. Additional network equipment may be provided as part of the overall scope of work. If this equipment is needed, it will either be shipped to you directly or delivered by an engineer. Keep in mind, equipment may be shipped to you by someone other than Lumen. Once received, please keep all equipment in a secure location. Once all identified work is complete, email or call your Lumen contact to let them know. Their contact information can be found in the emails we send you. Then, the third-party network provider will dispatch an engineer to connect you to our network. Once connected, we will work with you to schedule the next steps. Visit our delivery support library to view short, helpful videos and other information to maximize your service delivery experience. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.